Hello, I'm Christelle and this is day 8 of my trip to Munich. Here is Germany and here is Munich. Today is actually the last day of this trip, so that's when I'm going to catch my train to go back to France. However, there are a few things that I haven't seen yet because they were not in my priorities, but before I catch my train, I would like to try to see them. Alright, I'm loaded. In the back too. It is 10:41. And I am going. Goodbye, beautiful room. Part 1. First on that list is the Alte Botanischer Garten, so that's the old botanical garden. It's not far from my hotel, so I can walk there. Okay, really sunny today, sunny and warm. Even though it's just 12 degrees, I think. But it just feels so warm compared to the previous days. And this is the Botanischer Garten, the Alte Botanischer Garten. I don't want to really take my time walking through it because it's nearly 11 and I want to be in less than an hour at the underground station, the metro station. Alright, so it's a nice little garden with like a cafe. That's Poseidon. It's just too warm and it's like 12 degrees, but it's so sunny. Yeah, the statue. Part 2 is the square with the Frühlingsfest.
Frühlingsfest. Spring Festival.
I wanted to have a look at this place because that's apparently where there's the Oktoberfest in October and other festivals such as the Spring Festival in April. So I had to cancel this part because I realized that I needed more time than I had planned to catch my train. So part 3, train. I realized that I had to catch my train at another station than the one where I arrived. Instead of taking my train at Munich main station, I had to take it at Munich Passing, and it's too far away to walk there. So I have to take a local train to get there, but I can't take this train at Munich main station either. I don't remember if this was because of construction work or why that was, but I need to go to Hackerbrücke. That's this one, the S6 to Tutzing. It's going to Passing. I need to buy a ticket first. Tickets. Okay, tickets. Tutzing. That's this one, S6. 9 minutes to Passing. That's good. And now I'm early. This S-Bahn is taking me to Munich Passing. Then train number 1 goes from Munich to Stuttgart. Train number 2 goes from Stuttgart to Paris Gare de l'Est. Then the metro from Gare de l'Est to Gare de Montparnasse. On train number 3 from Paris Montparnasse to Rennes, and I'm back home. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Feel free to like, share and subscribe so that you can see the next videos. Bye, see you soon! I've made a little book with my favorite photos from this trip. Feel free to have a look at it on my website or on my Ko-fi page. Thank you!